Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic guacamole. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 3 perfectly ripe avocados, 1 small red onion, 1 jalapeno, and a bunch of fresh cilantro. Don't forget the crucial lime juice and some salt for seasoning. These simple, fresh components are key to achieving that incredible, classic flavor profile we all love. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now let's prepare our fresh ingredients. First, carefully halve and pit your 3 ripe avocados, then scoop all that creamy flesh into a mixing bowl. Next, finely dice about 1/4 of a medium red onion. For a little kick, mince 1 small jalapeno. Remember to remove the seeds if you prefer less heat. Finally, roughly chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Precision here ensures a balanced flavor. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to mix. Begin by mashing the avocado flesh with a fork or potato masher until it reaches your preferred consistency, chunky or smooth. It's up to you. Gently fold in the diced red onion, minced jalapeno, and chopped cilantro. Squeeze in the fresh juice of 1 whole lime. This brightens the flavor and helps prevent browning. Finally, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper, adjusting to taste. Your authentic guacamole is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully transfer the vibrant green dip into a beautiful serving bowl. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a few fresh cilantro sprigs or a bright lime wedge. Serve your homemade masterpiece immediately with crispy tortilla chips, crunchy vegetable sticks, or alongside your favorite Mexican dishes. Get ready to savor the fresh, rich flavors of this truly authentic creation. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.